If you are an older adult seeking work, you may have heard of the many different reasons why an employer will not hire someone of a certain age. It is widely discussed how ageism can deter individuals from applying to positions they feel they are more than capable of doing. In today's Employment Minute, we will focus on a few reasons why employees are actively looking for older adult workers and the positives they can bring to the workplace. First, older adult workers interact and retain skills and knowledge. Older workers are valuable assets as they retain the company's knowledge, which proves to be a necessity in today's business world. Older workers carry extensive experience, which means they can understand their own department and how their departments or units interact with other departments within an organization. Next, older workers play a crucial role in training the next generation of workers. When a company hires an older worker, they are essentially getting an individual that can share a wealth of knowledge and skills with new employees or interns. This helps with staff development and improves productivity across an organization. Lastly, older workers accept diversity and change. Older workers are tolerant of diversity and changes, which is key in the current market where new technologies are constantly introduced. Workers must be open to change, flexible, and adaptable to survive. Older workers have already experienced this and realize that nothing will stay the same for a long period of time. Remember, older workers have vast experience and extensive knowledge of a company's process, products, and consumers that can't be matched. If you would like to know more about our services and career coaching, feel free to reach out to me, John Murphy, or Christina Taylor here at the Senior Source. Thank you for your time, and this has been your Employment Minute.